Did you ever wish you owned Google shares before its IPO? Ever thought of the capital gain you'd have made if you did? Remember how we all knew about Twitter and how it became a famous social media platform way before its IPO was announced? This is when you'll be buying your pre-IPO shares. Since 2010, an average of 750 IPOs take place all over the world, in which investors participate by over $95 billion and secure an average return of 40 to 60% on their investment at the IPO stage, depending on the region. Let's say the opportunity presents itself. Would you be interested to invest in something similar? If so, then look no further. Welcome to the exciting world of FeatherInvest. In fact, we call it the Feather. As you know, whenever we have additional cash to invest these days, we usually think of opportunities in A. Real estate, a long selection process, initial investment quite big with crippling installments, and in the end, the asset may not sell fast or well enough. B. Stock market. Yes, it would solve the liquidity issue, but in this day and age, stock market investments can be highly volatile. You can end up losing a big part of your money. C. Money in the bank. Tell me about it. Enjoy a very fancy 1 to 3% return every year. Of course, the best option would be to start your own business, but until you decide on the line of business and start working on the project, why not use our services to make an attractive and 100% guaranteed investment? At FeatherInvest, we give you the chance to invest in pre-IPO businesses that have a huge, easily liquid capital gains within 12 to 18 months. And this is how it works. Through a global network of highly specialized professionals, FeatherInvest gives you access to investment opportunities in pre-IPO shares owned by senior partners and managers of targeted companies. By the time these shares are available, the company would have had an established and proven commercial model, announced exit plans to IPO, detailed information is widely available about the company, and the excitement around it is becoming viral. This is where FeatherInvest comes in. 1. We use our global outreach to provide you with news and analysis on attractive pre-IPO investments. 2. Secure the shares for you to buy and keep during a holding period of 6 to 18 months until the IPO takes place. And boom, make your capital gain. It's that simple. Of course, you may ask, how secure is that? Don't worry. Through our alliances with top international insurance companies, FeatherInvest offers you 100% protection against fraud. Yes, you get your money back in case of it being transferred anywhere else other than the promised beneficiaries. Once you decide to be part of the Feather's pre-IPO investments, you have the ability to 1. Manage your pre-IPO allocation through a FeatherInvest account at one of the top international banks. 2. Receive periodic valuation reports by international evaluators to monitor the value of your shares during the period of your investment. And ultimately decide on the time to sell your shares once the IPO takes place. So what are you waiting for? Where else can you find an easy and secure investment opportunity with huge potential for capital gain? Connect with the Feather now and start your pre-IPO journey. FeatherInvest. We treat your money as ours and strive for speed, transparency, and focus.